Hello, everybody. This is Mandarin Chinese season, and follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in very easiest and fastest way. And today, we are going to learn how to say traffic signs in Chinese. 交通指示. Now follow me. That's why you stop the car. 爸爸，为什么停车？爸爸。为什么停车？停车 stop the car. Now it's red light, car needs to stop. When the green light on, then the car can start going. 现在是红灯，车要停下来。绿灯亮时，车辆才能通行。现在是红灯，车要停下来。绿灯亮时，车辆才能通行。红灯，绿灯。Okay, understand. 好的，明白了。When you cross the roads, you need to check the traffic light. 横穿马路时，也要注意看交通指示灯。横穿马路时，也要注意看交通指示灯。横穿马路 cross the roads 交通指示灯 traffic light. I remember that. 我记住了，爸爸。我记住了，爸爸。Ali is great. Ali 真棒。Now, this is today's lesson. Now here we're going to make small practice and to practice this conversation. Now, here we go.
爸爸，为什么停车？
现在是红灯，车要停下来。绿灯亮时，车辆才能通行。
好的，明白了。
横穿马路时，也要注意看交通指示灯。
我记住了，爸爸。
爱你真棒。Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now follow me, you will think it's very easy and funny to learn Chinese. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.